and happy Easter. I'm Country Sampler brand manager Elizabeth Morrissey, and this is my daughter Maddie. We're here to show you how to craft an adorable Easter basket by weaving yarn around a disposable cup. It's an easy, fun project for all ages, and it makes a great decoration or party favor. This project doesn't require many supplies. In fact, you might already have everything you need around the house. You'll need disposable cups in spring colors, matching yarn, scissors, hot glue gun and glue, a pipe cleaner, and decorative accents and trim. I tried a lot of different cups for this project, and I found that paper treat cups from the dollar store actually work best. If you do use a plastic cup, you might want to trim the rim off the top before you start. Start by cutting the cup into 11 equal strips from the lip down to about 1/4 inch from the base. You'll need an odd number to make the basket weave pattern work. We marked the cup ahead of time, and our cut marks were about 1 inch apart. Next, glue the yarn end to the bottom edge of the cup. Glue the first row around the edge entirely so it doesn't slip. Then, wrap the yarn around the base 2 or 3 times. When you reach a slit, tuck the yarn between 2 strips so you can begin weaving. Weave the yarn alternately behind and in front of strips around the cup. Continue weaving to the rim, or if you have a taller cup, until your basket is the height you want. Trim the yarn and secure the end with hot glue. Trim any excess cup that remains at the top. To create a handle, secure yarn to one end of a pipe cleaner. Wrap the yarn tightly, then trim and twist to secure. Glue the ends of the handle to the inside of the basket. Glue on trim and embellishments as desired. That's all there is to it. These baskets make cute decorations or sweet little party favors when you fill them with candy. If you have any left. For more great spring decorating ideas, check out the current issue of Country Sampler or visit countrysampler.com.